If you want to add a gradient background to your design on your mobile phone in Canva, I'm going to show you how to do it. So it is very easy. So select any design you have, and usually you would just click on color to change the color. Choose any of these colors, you will get a solid color, right? So if you want to have a gradient one, you also click here and click on this plus icon right here. And now you can select between solid color and gradient. Select gradient and you can choose between these styles here. For example, you have here the lighter color on the upper side, and on the downside, bottom side, you have the darker color. If you click here, you have the light color in the middle and the darker one outside. You can also change the order of these color by just tapping, holding and dragging them around. So you have the darker color centered and the light color outside. Same with the other styles, by the way. If you want to add another, so a third color to your gradient, you just click on plus, and here you can choose any of these colors by using the slider and dragging around this circle. So you will add another one. If you go back, you can see you added a third color to your gradient. So you can also, if you click here on the color, or you click on one existing color, you can also use a hexa code, of course. So if you have a brand color, you can type in here and you will get this color. And if you want to use any of these colors on your screen, maybe on your mobile phone or even on your desktop, you can use the color picker, of course. For example, if you want to have this color from Canva app, you can go here up, click on done, and it will change according to this color you picked. And yes, basically that's it. Click on share and or add your elements. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.